Hi, so my name's Jack Bridges and I'm from Teledyne Labtech, all the way from the UK. This week, we're here showing off our PCB technology. In previous years, we've shown off all of the wonderful things we can do. We've got our metal backboards, we have our softboards, we have the complex multi-layers. But this year, we're really trying to focus on the support we can deliver. So if that be the DFM support with your customers, coming towards us with the designs that may have a few issues, may have a few complex queries, please come to us. We can help you with that, be it manufacturing, be it materials, via spans and things like that. We also want to support you on maybe some of the design aspects that you've got with your printed circuit boards. One of the other things that we're trying to promote at the moment is the fact that we can do what we're going to call the full end-to-end solution. So that be from the RF design of the PCBs, through to the manufacturability, through to the production, through to the procurement, but also then leading on to assembly and RF test capabilities as well. We do that all in-house, so whatever your needs are, whatever your demands are, please do feel free to stop by the booth or focus on the website, learn a little bit more. We are also, I would like to just quickly mention, we've got a few things going on at the moment. So we have what we're going to call our new rapid quote to manufacture service. This is a new thing that we're looking to try and implement at the moment because we've seen a demand not just within the UK but within Europe and within the USA of a need for early development and research kind of projects to fit the customer's needs. So what we're advertising at this moment is that you can have a rapid quote to manufacture service, so we can quote in as little as 24 to 48 hours, but all following that we can also deliver PCBs within as little as 5 days, dependent on the complexities. But please stop by, get in contact, and we will be happy to help. Thank you.